Installing Greatmats Portable Outdoor Tiles over blacktop or pavement is a simple tool-free task. Shipped on pallets of pre-assembled 9-tile sections, these 1x1 foot tiles can be stored partially assembled for faster installation. The tiles, or sheets of tiles, clip together best over hard, flat surfaces and will contour some to the surface below as each connector functions as a hinge once assembled. This allows for better contact with uneven surfaces and helps prevent tile separation. If you need to put your portable outdoor tiles over a soft or uneven surface such as grass, consider starting on a hard, flat surface and then dragging the lightweight floor to its intended placement. Disassembly is just as easy. Simply pull the connecting clips off the rods between the tiles, stack in sections, and carry away and store for the next time you need them. Enjoy your Greatmats Portable Outdoor Tiles.